So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get as much as 100,000 PAWS token for yourself, right? I did a video last time talking about how you can earn from the quest that PAWS has opened for all of us to earn. But now there are also ways you can make way more than the amount of PAWS token that you've gotten so far. You can make as much as 100,000 PAWS token, and I'm going to be talking about that in this video. Now I'm going to be going to my phone screen to show you how you can earn as much as 100,000, over 100,000 PAWS token for yourself. Let's go, guys. Now coming to this point here that says earn, right now you are going to see that there are some tasks under here that you can perform to earn some amount of PAWS token for yourself, right? There's supposed to be one here, right, that you can earn. If you've not earned it, there are 6 levels you can claim. For those of you that have not claimed it so far, try to make sure you claim it to the 6th level, and when you claim it, it's going to appear like so. Now there are some other ones available for us to earn. Now we're going to be earning Explore Turn, Lucky Block, and Mystery Quest. That is our goal right now. Explore Turn is worth about 30,000 PAWS. Lucky Blocks is worth about 25,000 PAWS, and Mystery Quest is worth about 50,000 PAWS. That is 105,000 PAWS in total. But then there's a catch. There is always a catch. You have to spend some amount of turn tokens to be able to get this reward, right? And there I was thinking that PAWS Airdrop was different, that they won't actually incorporate spending of your turn tokens to get rewarded. But now they are also part of those people that are requiring turn to reward you, right? But then we are going to still participate to see where this will lead us, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be spending those turn. So let me go on with claiming them, right? What you need to do now is to come to this place here that says Explore. When you click on Explore, it's going to bring this right here. Now this right here varies for everyone. So now what I want to do now is to click on this place here that says Add W PAWS, right? When I click on it right now, it's going to bring 0.1 ton, right? I can still do 0.5 tons. Let me see. Okay, let me just do 1 ton. Let me just do 1 ton. So I'm going to spend 1 whole ton to see how much that 1 ton can get me by the time I'm done with this. So now let me just click send 1 ton, and then click on my Turnkeeper, and then it takes me straight to my Turnkeeper wallet. And now I'm in my Turnkeeper wallet. So I'm going to click on connect wallet, and my wallet has been connected successfully. So now let me do the transaction, right? So I'm going to send 1 ton token. So it's currently confirming the transaction. Let's just wait for it to confirm the transaction. Now that it is here, what I want to do now is to slide to confirm. So I'll just slide right here to confirm, and when I put my password, it's going to confirm the transaction. Now it is saying done. So I've gotten 1 ton. So what I want to do now is to click on go back right now, and now I'll just click on got it over here. So the notification that I just canceled right now is simply saying that in case I don't see it reflect, I should wait a little while. That is going to reflect. But what I want to do now is to go to my earn section, and it is not reflecting. So what I want to do now is to just exit the app and click on open PAWS again. So I'm going to click on earn, and bam, I can now explore my turn. So I'll just click on claim. Now it turns out that 1 ton is not enough for us to be able to claim the next one, right? So we're going to go back now and repeat the same process and use maybe another 1 ton to run this transaction. So let me just go back to my explore. I'm going to add W PAWS. So let me just do 0.5. Let me just do 0.5. So let me just send 0.5 ton, apply to confirm. So I've done 0.5 now. Let me go back to see if that will reflect. Well, got it. So let me just cancel. So let me go to my earn now. Still not active yet. So let me just try. Let me just use everything that is in that wallet. Let me just click on add PAWS and do another 0.5, or I don't think there's 0.5. Let me do like maybe 0.3. So let me just try this one. So let me just repeat the same process again. Open the PAWS. It's still not opening. Let me just go again and do it again. So I'll just click on add PAWS now. I'll click on send 0.1 ton. So unfortunately, I've spent over 1 ton and I wasn't able to get to the next level, right? So that simply means that you'll be spending way more than 1 ton to get to the next level, right? Well, unfortunately, that's just the way it is. But then again, if you have that much ton to spend to get this reward, so you have to spend ton to get your lucky blocks and your mystery quest. But as for me, I'm going to hold on for now and see how this project goes first before I end up spending more on this project. So that's basically how you can earn over 100,000 PAWS token for yourself. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.